pag-ikot ang mundo, dahil wala ka na sa piling ko. Kung ika'y mahal na ng iba, anong halaga ang mabuhay pa? Dalhin mo na ang araw at ang buwan na di nasisikat kailanman. Kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, dalhin mo na rin pati ang puso ko. Pagkat ito'y
if you walk inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will
Pwede nga binatong na tanan sa usahan mga membro natin sa Sangguniang Bayan. Di ka upo na mo na stage si Honorable Enrico Duquiatan.
Amoy sekretaryo iti iniaabon ang bagong Hulitanon Association sa SNS.
Yes,
Manager.
Okay. Yes.
Let's go to the next contestant.
Of course, our fifth performer of the night is representing Barangay Alegria. Pakpakan naton Jen Lizelle Sible Abad.
Okay.
that you've always been true. Looking in your eyes, I see you lie. You're trying hard to hide that there's someone new you found, and you want me to believe that you're staying. Maybe it's a way. Everything I knew was loving you. How could you try to pretend your love was never ending? Now you can't even say that you will stay.
Okay, makanta naton representative from Barangay Cuyay, Mr. Ramil Rivas. Makantahan usahan naton mga paborito pamatian nga kanta, Sugar Free.
na aking buhay. Pagmamahal mo ang aking taglay, saan man mapagpa hangin hindi magbabago aking pag-ibig. Lalo natin sa may kapal, tayo lamang habang buhay maghintay.
Let's begin from this moment. You are the one right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment I have been blessed. I love only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath from this moment on. I give my hand to you with all my heart. I gotta wait to live my life with you. I gotta wait to start.
Kay Pao, nagtitikadakbol kung excited
Oh,
niya.
sa kagkibirang mabarong ko limit magdadarahin ating first prize ng 5,000 pesos.
Yes. So kung babae nato nagkanta, the next performer is a guy. He is representing Barangay Hindang,
Lowland again, Lowland.
Lowland. Okay. Let us all welcome Iron Lastimado from Barangay Hindang.
Palakpakan ka ang taga-barangay Hinda. All cheers talaga. Oy, di rin naman. So anakong sini para rin natin delay aton mga performers please arrange dito aton club broken adult events si yung mga backup music.
Miss a day, yo. Daylight come and me don't want go home. Day, yo. Miss a day, yo. Daylight come and me don't want go home. Get the party out here!
Mga tropa, sana palakpak. I'll be running